Alright, go ahead and trot him around. And you can change directions and circles and whatever you want to do. And just remember, because he likes to twist his pole, you just a little outside rein and a little inside leg to get him straight. There you go. Very good. Give him a little pat. That's really good right there, Lisa. Go ahead and circle him. There you go. Very good. Give him a little pat with your inside hand. That's okay. Then go ahead across the middle and change directions. Remember to lift your shoulders, lift your shoulders, lift your shoulders. There. That looks good. Just a little more right leg for the right bend. Very good. Little leg. There, he's starting to bring his outside shoulder out and relax it. That's really good. It's a great trot. He looks great underneath. It's just like letting him relax his head and so that he can relax his back. And then once he relaxes his back, he's really going to go long. Go ahead and circle. Yes. Here you go. Half hold a hair with your outside rein just to bring him back. There you go. That's really good. And his tail's swinging. That's really good. Aw, give him a big pat. He looks fantastic underneath. Go ahead and walk and give him a break. Good boy, Rainy. I know, he's like, but it's so nice. Like, I like this trot. Good.